Alright, so earlier tonight we were cruising around, night cruising the Coast 2023. And I heard, as I was sitting at a red light, I heard a surge of a motor somewhere behind me. And I could tell, wah, wah, wah. I knew it was something with a blower. So then we turned at the red light when we got our green, and then as we hear it, we hear it behind us, and we just hear the squeal of a blower. And I could see the two headlights low to the ground, and this is what it was. Check this out. I like that rat rod, Model A rat rod, cruising Highway 90 and Cruising the Coast 2023. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Check us out next time. See you.